Hi, my name is Alex Musaro, and for my demonstration speech, I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry meringues. Now, for our ingredients, we have sugar, salt, vanilla extract, chocolate, strawberry extract, cream of tartar, concentrated egg whites, and then we have 4 separate pans, and each of these pans has parchment paper on them. And then we obviously have to have the oven to cook them, so we've already preheated it to 300 degrees. Now we're going to pour all of the ingredients into the stand-up mixer. Now the first ingredient that you pour in by itself is egg whites. You need to pour it in. It needs to be 2 1/4 cups. Go ahead and do that. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to pour it in the stand-up mixer for about 45 seconds and beat it until it's frothy. And it's going to go on, the power level goes up to 10. I'm going to put it on 2 for 45 seconds. And as that is beating, I'm going to measure out my other ingredients. Measure out my ingredients. I'm going to first measure out the cream of tartar. That has to be 1 teaspoon. I'm going to put it in a bowl so I can quickly pour it in. Now I need 2 teaspoons of salt, which I have in this bag right here. Let me get to the teaspoon mixture. Now that I've poured them in, I'm going to wait for this to turn 45 seconds. Let's see if the egg white mixture is frothy. It's not there yet. I'm going to turn out the power a little bit more. It's still not frothy yet. It is almost there. It's getting frothier as we speak. I'm going to turn it one more because it's taking a while. And that is good. That is frothy. Now we are going to add our cream of tartar and salt mixture in. I'm going to put it back to low power so I can gently add it in. I'm going to put it on 2 or 3. Now we've added that in, and now I'm going to wait about 15 to 20 seconds. Now I'm going to slowly add in the sugar. You move at the power to 4 and put about 1/4 of a cup in very slowly. Then after this, I'm just going to pour the whole bowl in. Now when I quickly add up the power a little bit more and start adding the whole bowl. Now I've finished pouring in all the sugar and it's been beating for quite some time. This is the consistency that it should look like. It should be thick and pretty smooth. Now I'm going to fold my flavorings into each separate bowl. For this bowl, we're going to fold in chocolate chips. And we have about 1 cup of chocolate chips here. And now for folding, you stir the mixture, make sure all the chocolate chips get everywhere. Then you're gonna fold, which means you take the mixture, you go out to in, out to in, out to in, out to in. Now you just repeat the steps. You repeat the step a couple times until it's done, which it is. Now we're gonna add the strawberry extract. We're gonna add about 1 teaspoon into this mixture. Now I'm going to fold in this flavor too, just like I did with the chocolate. You just repeat this too for this step. Now I'm going to drop the meringue batter onto the sheet. Now you take about 1 tablespoon of the meringue batter, make sure that none of extra liquid gets anywhere, and you put it onto the paper Now you want it to kind of stand up straight and be in a have circular shape. Now, we repeat this process. We're gonna do 3 per row on the cookie sheet. We wanna make sure that they're 2 inches apart so when they bake, they don't come together. One more here, make sure I get a full tablespoon. Okay, you just repeat this process many times. We're gonna do a dozen meringues per pan. Now we have a dozen meringues on the pan, and I'm going to insert them into the oven. Now they're going to be in the oven for about 2 hours at around 300 degrees. And once the 2 hours is done, we will take them out, put them at room temperature for about 1 hour until they cool down, and they will test them from there. It has now been 3 hours since we put it in the oven. It was in the oven for 2 hours. We took it out and let it cool for 1 hour. Now I'm gonna see. It has the nice brown color on the outside, and it's airy and crisp too. Let me see how it tastes. It tastes strawberry and good.